All right, what's going on, guys? I'm back here at a customer's house. They did a flip on this property, and we've got to add vapor barrier into the crawl space. So I've got some 4mm heavy duty plastic, which is vapor barrier compliant, and we're going to go ahead into the crawl space and get this stuff installed and tape the seams. Stay tuned. All right, so I don't know how well you can see it, but I've got the first sheet of vapor barrier laid out. That's on the rear or high side of the building, and now I'm going to lay out the front side of the building, and then I'll piece in the center around all the pylons and tape all the seams. Now here we go, all the vapor barrier is done. The entire dirt portion of the floor is covered. All the seams are taped. And we're good to go over to the next job. Like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for more content. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Have a great day.